हाय, आपके साथ मैं हूं सुरभि शर्मा। इंडिया टीवी यूट्यूब चैनल सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन दबाएं। और केरल में कोरोना के मामलों में अचानक हुए इजाफे के बाद सरकार अलर्ट है। स्वास्थ्य मंत्रालय इस वक्त प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहा है, सुनते हैं क्या कहा।
Shri Rajesh Bhushan ji has very clearly said that the second wave is still on in India and in some states, and upsurge is being observed in a few districts. We have about 41 districts which have weekly test positivity rate of more than 10%, and we have 27 districts which have weekly test positivity rate between 5 and 10%. The upsurge is being, population density is causing the spread, so wherever COVID appropriate behavior is not being observed, there we are seeing a upsurge of cases. We know that these vaccines are disease modifying vaccines. They are not disease preventive vaccines, and therefore it is very important to continue to use the mask even after vaccination of 1 or 2 doses. That mask usage has to continue. That is very important. We know that vaccines reduce the disease severity, they reduce the possibility of hospitalization, and also avert death to the tune of nearly 98-99%. Mass gatherings, as has been emphasized, have to be discouraged, and full vaccination offers protection, again, as I want to emphasize, against severe disease and death, and should be a prerequisite if attending a gathering is critical. So if attending a gathering is critical, vaccination is a prerequisite. Thank you. I will just stop here.
Thank you. We'll take some questions now. 1515.
Hello sir, I'm Sherin from Times Now. My question is to Mr. Rajesh Bhushan. We have in fact shown how there have been multiple certificates that has in fact we have got from Telangana government, and where physically the person has not got themselves inoculated, but even then we have seen the vaccination certificate being handed out to them on the price of about 2,500 to 3,000 rupees. What is the reaction of the Health Ministry on this on record?
We have seen the media reports and we have very closely analyzed them. We have shared these media reports with the concerned state government. We have asked for their inquiry into this. However, I would like to reiterate that if we look at the configurement and alignment and engineering, IT-based engineering of CoWIN system, it remains foolproof. However, if there are instances where people have used other means to generate digital certificates, we will definitely take appropriate action. Thank you.
Number 9.
तो स्वास्थ्य मंत्रालय की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस, जहां उन्होंने कहा कि जो लोग वैक्सीन भी लगवा चुके हैं उन्हें भी अभी मास्क पहनना जरूरी है, और वैक्सीनेटेड होने के बावजूद अभी भी कोरोना प्रोटोकॉल का पालन करना जरूरी, क्योंकि 31 राज्यों में भले ही अभी 10,000 से कम एक्टिव केसेस हैं, लेकिन भारत की अगर ओवरऑल केसेस की बात करें तो केरल से ही सिर्फ 58% केसेस अभी एक्टिव बताए जा रहे हैं। बड़ी खबर पर आगे आपको अपडेट करते रहेंगे। छोटे से ब्रेक के लिए मैं यहां पर रुकना है। आगे नजर इस वक्त की हेडलाइंस पर। हाय, आई एम सुरभि शर्मा। खबरों से अपडेट रहने के लिए इंडिया टीवी यूट्यूब चैनल सब्सक्राइब करिए, साथ में बेल आइकन जरूर दबाएं। जुड़े रहें इंडिया टीवी के साथ।